Now on Spotify, if you want to listen to music with your friends or family, this is how you do it. So first of all, you just click a song you want to listen to. Like how I want to listen to Cupid now, and you just click on this speaker down. Now, if you don't see any option to connect, please note that this is only possible on Spotify Premium. If you do not have Spotify Premium, you cannot listen to music with anybody else. Now, if you have Spotify Music, this Spotify Premium, this is how you do it. Okay, so you start playing a song or podcast, you tap the connect to a device icon at the bottom, which is the one that looks like a speaker. You tap start a jam. You also tap invite friends. You can share a link, a QR code, or even tap phones together if you're nearby and have Bluetooth enabled. Now, if you want to do it on a desktop, you have to right click on a song or playlist, then click start a jam, click invite. You can share a link or QR code. Basically, it's the same thing. And if you want to join a jam, tap on the invitation link sent by your friend, scan the QR code shared by the host, and tap your phones together if you're nearby and both have Bluetooth enabled or logged into Spotify. Now, there's also something called collaborative playlist. Yeah, this feature allows you and your friends to build a playlist together. Anyone you invite can add, remove, or view other songs in the playlist at any time. So to do that, to create a collaborative playlist, you go to your library and type create playlist. Give your playlist a name. Once the playlist is created, tap the three dots menu at the top. Tap invite collaborators. You can then share a link to the playlist with your friends through various messaging apps. By using either the jam feature or for real-time listening or collaborative playlists for building a shared library, you can easily enjoy music together with your friends on Spotify.